Hello, I'm D.Serves and I'm here to serve you. Appreciate you guys for coming back once again, man. It's always appreciated on my end. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now, okay? Today I'm going to be going into a $56 experiment from Walmart, of course. And I was actually able to make 82 bucks and counting, all right? You guys already know that I like to say and counting because I still have a few products left, all right? I actually made a video about these ink cartridges that you will see in a few moments because they sold in an hour, all right? So now I'm just recapping, going back, cleaning out my hard drive, making space for the new content that's coming. And I said, wow, I didn't make this video yet. So here it is, all right? Check it out. Here we go. I sold about, I think 3 or 4 of these previously. I'll be making a video about that pickup. Can't remember the dollar amount experiment on that one, but this one is a $56 experiment. Got the Epson ink cartridge here. Cyan color. Got it for $1. Got a Blue Lizard. 2 different types of Australian sunscreen. This one's for kids. This one here's the sport. As you see the price there, $2.50 a piece, $3.50 on this one. Got 3 of those and 4 of those. Got the sign here. It was 50 cents a piece. Grabbed 2 of them. Just gonna see what I can do with it. This one here, got 2 color toner cartridges. Paid 15 bucks a piece for them. Those sell at a pretty decent dollar amount, so I grabbed what was on the shelf with that one. And gonna see how much money I can make off of this stuff here. Spent 56 bucks. All right, so here it is. All right, I made a video actually about this because I was actually scammed about this. All right, this product. All right, they said that one of the cartridges wasn't new. All right, so one of the benefits of recording and I guess you could say keeping track on my business by making these videos is because when I bring certain stuff in, I'm taking pictures of it, I'm recording it, and it's actually a good thing because it's showing proof of what the condition of this product, all right? So anyway, I'm gonna put the link up above and you guys can check it out, but I'm gonna give you a brief breakdown of what happened, okay? Sold both of them. They received them. They said one of them was open. All right. They said it wasn't a brand new cartridge. So I reached out to eBay and I didn't even have to send video proof to them. They believed me off top. All right. So anyway, I was actually able to sell both of those for 72 bucks. Okay. And then we have the ink cartridge that you guys seen in the video. I made 10 bucks off of that. Okay. So that brings the total up to 82 bucks on that pickup. Okay. That buyer actually did pay for shipping, so I wasn't out on that, and I actually made like 3 bucks on the shipping because I was actually able to reduce the size of the box and the weight, and you know how it goes if you guys are resellers, all right? But anyway, I do encourage you guys to go back and check out that video. I'm gonna put the link up above. If you guys haven't seen it yet, put it up there twice. But I actually want you guys to go back and check out that video because people will scam you and they will try anything, all right? You know in your heart that these products are new. If you're an honest seller just like me, you're very descriptive. If it's damaged, if it's not new, you're gonna tell them. If it's a stain on it, you're gonna take a picture of it, all right? So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. I do encourage you guys once again to go back and watch that video. It's very interesting. And it will actually help you guys in the future to learn how to deal with individuals that are online just to scam only, all right? Believe it or not, people wake up every day trying to figure out how they can scam somebody, all right? Just for a few bucks, all right? We're not talking about $1 million here. We're talking about some ink cartridges. But anyway, until next time, peace, y'all.